So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make money by uploading simple video on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. Here that you can see, I'm going to show you a method where you can upload a simple video, that video you are not going to create, and you're going to make money from it. So I'm going to walk you through entire step, how you can upload a video, how you can make a landing page, and how you can promote the product and how you can earn money. So watch the video until the end. I make videos and money making, money saving tutorial. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Now you see here, this is a TikTok account. They are only making videos on gadget and tech. Again, they are not making these videos. They obtain this video from various websites, even YouTube. Cut them into vertical position here, uploading a 1 minute video here, and you can see nearly they have around 290,000 followers. But with them you can't make money because they're only promoting this type of product. You can't make money. That's why they don't put any link on the bio section. But there's a other way that you can do it. Other way I'm doing it, it's working for me. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. So you can apply this method with TikTok, you can apply with that with Instagram, you can apply the same method with Facebook and Twitter. So what you do now, you need to make money. So how you can, because this social media is really depend on the short videos less than 1 minute. So with that video you need to convert the viewers into your customers. So what you have to do, you need to find a niche, and you need to find an affiliate program to promote. Here I'm going with Amazon affiliate. You can go with eBay, you can go with Walmart, depend on your country. Find an e-commerce site, and even you can do Flipkart. So what you have to do, when you create your associated account or affiliate account, you need to niche down a specific product or specific niche, because when you come to TikTok, that you can see here, they only upload gadget and tech, so they don't upload random other videos. So here I'm going with the toys selection, but again, toys are a variety of toys, soft toys and other things, so you need to niche down further. So I'm only going with here the construction toys and toy section, so only focusing on Legos and other type of construction toys. So I open, this is the product I want to promote. Here I already opened that product. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a simple content. Now if you go to this page, and you need to install this plugin called Flash Video Downloader. This is free, it's for the Google Chrome extension. When you did that, it will automatically download your video from Amazon. So most of the listing has videos on the listing, so you can download that video on Amazon. You can download a couple of pictures from here. Now after what you did, go to Canva, and you're gonna click TikTok video as your builder, or you can go with TikTok, or you can go with Instagram that you can see here, or you can go with Facebook. Whatever the social media that available in your country, you can go with either one of them, or you can go with all of them. Now after you open that, basically what I'm gonna do, use a TikTok, so that you can see I upload that video, drag and drop. So we play the video here. Now the video is playing here. I put the title. Now I put the picture here because I can make that video verticals. If I do, those videos will be, the important part will be cut down. So if to avoid that, I didn't make them in the verticals, so I keep them in the original size. So I add the picture, I add the title, and I download that video. Now go back to your TikTok account, create a simple TikTok. You can create multiple TikTok account. Now TikTok is not available in your country, you can go with Instagram or any other social media. You can upload that the video. So when you upload the video, it's gonna look like this one. Now after you upload the video, you can see it's gonna look like that, title and the basic video. There's a picture, you can make a publish, you can add the caption, and you can publish this video. The problem will now come here is putting a link on the bio section here. Only one link allowed to put on any other social media, so it's harder to promote various products. So you have to build a landing page where you can, when the viewers click your landing page link on the bio section, it will take to the product they want to buy. Then they click the button and it will automatically take them to this page for the Amazon web page or any other e-commerce. Now how you can do that, how you can build a landing page for that. So if you can't afford, you can't, if you don't have any money, I'm recommend this one called Google site. Go to Google and type Google site. and it will take you to this page. You can see I already put the title, so this is a web page title is a building and construction toy. Now I'm going to build a list of all the toys that I am uploading on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook. So how you can do that, basically you can select any layout that you want. So I'm going to select this layout picture here. I can drag and drop. I'm going to add the picture. The picture I already download from Amazon. Open that, and you can click them and to make it bigger or smaller. After that, you're going to add the title, the same thing that you can do. Go to here, copy that title here, go back to your site, paste it on here, highlight, change them in heading, and select the size to 14, something like that. In the middle, change them into a different style if you want, and bold that. Now this is your title. Now you can add the description, which is again you can copy that from Amazon. You can see here, copy that here. Now what you do, go to your site, paste it on here. Simple. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna add the button for your this listing, right? So what you're gonna do, go back here, select button, and you're gonna put the title. So you're gonna put like buy now on Amazon, something like that, or eBay or Walmart, something like that. Then go back to your listing and get your affiliate link. Click this one text, copy that, go back to your site and paste it on here and insert. Now what you do, make them button a little bit bigger, and you're gonna drag them into the image, and so the nice and easy that the button, put it on the image. Now what you can do, click the image and you're gonna put the affiliate link inside as well. So double them out, so increase the chances of people clicking. If they don't click the button, they can click the image. You can copy and paste it on here. Also, if you want, you can put them onto the title if you want. So I can put it on here, click and apply. Now what you do, after you put the listing, you click this one called publish, and your site, the detail will be published automatically on here. So click publish, and what you do, click this one called view, and there you go. This is your basic site. This is your first listing. There's a button, there's a description. If they click the image or any button, it will automatically take them to the listing if they bought them, and you can earn money. Now what you have to do here, you can add one by one on top. You can see you don't have to create multiple pages. You can add all the listing on one page. So every time you create a new video on TikTok or any social media, you can create the listing on this Google site. Then you only have to put this link here, Google site link, on the bio section, and when they click, it will take you to this page. They can select the product they want. It will, when they click it, it will automatically take them to this page, and they can buy this product. You can earn commission. This is basic affiliate marketing method, guys. So you can earn a passive income every single day. So this is one way that you can use Amazon or any other e-commerce affiliate program, and using social media like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter to make money. So those sites are going to bring your traffic to your landing page. From that, you can redirect the traffic to your Amazon listing page, where you can make money from it. Also, when the customer bought other things, you can earn commission for that, because when you drive traffic from your affiliate link, Amazon is going to keep you 90 days cookies on their computer. So if within the 90 days, if anything they bought, and you can earn money from that, guys. So I hope, guys, you understand this video. Basically, you can make passive income using affiliate marketing method. And I hope if you understand this video, leave a like and leave a comment. And if you have any idea, if you have any question about me to clear, or what you want me to make a content on certain topic, leave me that in the comment section. I will make that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video.